And thank you so much for that, Soumit. We'll let you go on that note. But we have Naveen Kulkarni, who's the Chief Investment Officer of Axis Securities, PMS, joining us for a review on the results. But quickly, we'll go across and speak to him then. Hi, Naveen. Welcome to Rashad.
Yeah, hi.
Naveen, my first question to you is, the EBITDA has come in slightly below the estimates. Is it because of the Africa business?
Yeah, so primarily if we look at the numbers, let's break it down between India and Africa. So India business EBITDA has grown by almost around 400 odd crores, right? So it's roughly around 14,500 crores is what India and South Asia EBITDA number is what they have reported. And compared to last quarter, if let's say there would not have been a significant change in Africa numbers, probably we would have reported around 20,100 crores, right? Which is what would have been slightly higher than consensus estimates. But since Africa was lower because of the currency impact and others, where the constant currency numbers are quite in line, it's primarily because of the currency impact that we have seen in Africa that the numbers are slightly lower. Otherwise, the core operating metrics for India continue to remain very, very healthy.
Also, Naveen, India mobile business has seen a strong subscriber growth, but the ARPU has remained rather muted. How do you see the growth panning out going forward?
Yes, so I'm not sure the ARPU is muted because, last quarter the ARPU was 200 rupees. This quarter they have reported an ARPU of 203. Right, which is an improvement of 1.5% on a sequential basis, right? So, which is still a good number, right? Mind you, this is not the strongest quarter seasonally. Quarter 2 is slightly weaker quarter compared to quarter 1, right? So, from that perspective, the ARPU number looks quite okay to me. And in fact, if I were to look at the mobile services business, which is B2C business, the company has added close to 600 crores in absolute revenue, right? Which is again a very, very strong number to say, right? So overall, I think these are pretty healthy numbers for Bharti on the mobility business as well as the overall domestic operating metrics.
All right, so that's the word coming in from Naveen Kulkarni. Thank you so much for joining us today, Naveen. And we'll move on. Then Tata Consumer Products also reported a healthy set of earnings in the